Find the value of x if we have this function to be equal to 3. Example 4. All we need to do is to put this function, this part, in base 10. So, solution. Please, for more of this, you need to subscribe to this channel. So what do? We have here as log 3x minus 1 base 10 minus log 2 base 10 is equal to 3 log, since the whole of this and base 10, write 10, 10. So the whole of this is 1. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. So we have log 3x minus 1 base 10 minus log 2 base 10 to be equal to log 10 raised to the power of 3 from the laws of logarithm base 10. So we also have log 3x minus 1 base 10 minus log 2 base 10 is equal to 10 raised to the power of 3 will give us 1000 base 10. So from the laws of logarithm, we have that log 10 3x minus 1 all over 2 is equal to log 10 1000. So we can write this as this. So what happens is that this log 10 will cancel this. So we are left with 3x minus 1 all over 2 is equal to 1000. All we need to do is to cross multiply. Cross multiply. If we cross multiply, 2 will multiply 1000 and 3x minus 1 will be multiplying 1. It's like writing 1000 all over 1. It's still the same thing. So 3x minus 1 will be multiplying 1 and 2 will be multiplying 1000. So we have 3x minus 1. If it multiplies 1, we get the same thing. And here we have that 2 multiplied by 1000. So we have 3x minus 1 is equal to 2000. All we need is just to collect like terms, collect like terms. So we have 3x to be equal to 2000 plus, if this is coming over to this place, it comes to plus 1. So we have 3x to be 2001. For we to allow x to be the subject of formula, we divide this side by 3. So we say divide both sides of the equation, both sides by 3. So we have 3x all over 3 is equal to 2001 all over 3. 3 will cancel this. If this goes over to this, we have 667. 667. So we have that x is 667. So our value of x for this function, for this log function, is 667. So that is how to compute the logarithmic function. For more of this, you need to subscribe to this channel.